To be honest, I don't know why English schools even provides which no, not English schools, but schools in English and Anglo languages or Anglo language group countries that speak English. Yeah. Schools in countries that speak English, like I understand somewhere in Africa or Asia, but in America, like there's anyone in Canada, USA, even teach really need to teach other languages like French. French is very popular. Uh, not gonna lie, but don't mean that this language is as much as popular and as much as needful as English, especially to teach it in school or some other language like I don't know, I really don't know. Maybe Spanish. Spanish maybe really needful in southern states like Texas, California, New Mexico. So stupid name. New Mexico. Can they just change it? I don't know. Maybe already not, but in American Mexican war, like make it New America, don't know, or call it uh, by I forgot what is in New Mexico, dog. Like Texas, California, well-known states, but New Mexico, what even is in New Mexico? They have a pretty cool flag, don't say, as for American states, of course. Like Albuquerque, Las Cruces, Roswell. So cool names. Gosh. Uh, my gosh, it looks so scary now. Fucking redesign. I fucking scared of her now. She looks like she's crazy fucking. Just like, some animations before then with My Little Pony where Pinky, it was very scary. I forgot. Butcher. It's a pony and feeds pony to others, but you know It's the exact same thing, I'm telling you. I maybe sound crazy. Yes, I am crazy, but I'm telling the truth about this world. We can't survive. Rework of this. No, not rework. Redesign of this map. No, no. Don't go to Lisa. Alisa. Lisa. Lisa. Ma? Uh-huh. Oh my gosh. Oh my fucking kids is now broke from that. How toothless look. Like really. She's, she's terrifying to me. Just look at her face. I already didn't like her because she's very fast, but now I'm just terrified of her. I just don't know what to do. This fucking kiddo. This is how laptop kids look like. GG, I love GG, I love fucking GG, 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 fucking GG, yes. Poster with G, with GG. I love GG. GG, my love. Maybe. Not really, I like GG as much as Bobetta. And I freaking love Bobetta. Well, I just changed that. I get stuck in the wall. There's no escape. Oh, I hate that I don't have this. No tune. I forgot. What is dial with zinc? Yeah. Oh, nice. So Gigi is friend of this shy guy? That's impossible to me, to be honest, because like, fuck. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking gosh. I didn't run? What do you mean? I drink it fucking Poppy Cola. You're telling me I didn't fucking run? Oh my gosh. Thanks so much. I I don't know what I can do. I think he wanna die. Never mind, bro. Never mind. Yeah. Boof. I don't know, I just take stamina candy without even thinking of consequences. Look up at my butt. It looks so terrific, so nice. Just like a duck. Can I extract? Oh, yeah, yeah. Ah, she means she wanna distract. Oh, fuck me. She wanna extract or distract? She wanna distract. Alright then. Hope she won't Die. Fuck. Oh. She... No, she's not just trying to die. But I think that she's not quite doing well with that. I think I'm too close to mm, microphone. Yeah. Cool. Okay, I think that I don't know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't do that to me. You coward. Just wanna die? Well then I wanna die. We wanna die. Okay. Return to lobby. She's here. She's not there. She's not there. Dennis Ward. What to Dennis Ward? She's not in Dennis Ward. She's in Dennis Ward. $5 million? Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What do you want from me? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, go. Let's go. What? It's only me. Not Alice. Fucking dead. Save. 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 Set. Where is it? Okay, then. Wait for the lesson. Yeah, hey, GG. I have GG too. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey. He. Oh, she got no animations. Nice. The machine. Machine. Oh, yeah. Nice. Maybe Jonathan? Really? Awesome. Yes. Thanks. I hope not think. Yeah. Nothing will go wrong. Yeah, my microphone's still working. This game is pretty quiet as far as this world that I usually play. He looks like this, like HTTPS. Uh, I mean, like some website, you know, part of website code or code. Maybe it's called code. I don't know. My just real don't know. What the fuck? Super skilled pro. Speedrunner. Go get in. Maybe it's a fine team. Why the fuck are you? I'm really terrified. What the fuck is they doing? Like really? How the fuck they just missed me when I'm on rage mode? What the fuck? What the fuck is this noise? What the fuck is this noise? I guess it's time for get to the elevator. Maybe I don't know. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is all this noise really? Good job. Thanks. Get to the elevator. I don't know what the fuck is this noise really. It's so confused me. What the fuck is your doing? If you're going to, I don't know. Oh yes, you're going to do this. Fucking idiot. I fucking hate to put around my fucking soul, soil. Um, I fucking hate you. I fucking hate you. What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Fuck you, bitch. What? Why the fuck are you exist? Why the fuck are you exist? Really? What the fuck is your problem? I fucking hate you, you idiot. Is this fucking... Is this fucking manner of... Oh no no no. No 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 no. I hope shit doesn't fucking... Thanks. What? But why the fuck are you nearby me? I really hate fucking yacht in this round. Like, seriously. Why can't you just leave? Just wife. Your normal wife. Hello. Hello, fucking nigga. Can you stop doing that shit? Really? Never mind. Smart thinking. I fucking hate. Fucking by all my fucking soul. I fucking hate. I fucking hate it. Idiot. Fucking idiot. Super skilled pro. Really smart thinking. Everything crazy. Normal Talisa. I'm fucking one kill here. Oh my god. What the fuck should I do to you? What the fuck is this? Cutie might do to you? You fucking funny. I'm talking to you yet. Where is you? Oh, hello yet. Hello. I have some troubles. Hello. No problems. Someone think. Yes, I am smart. Not quite like you. I love Yato by all my heart. You. She just didn't move fast. Hello, guys. I have some news for you. Yeah. so much books for your time. You don't need so much books. You need... I like to gamble. Do you? Dragon Shard. For you? Uh, 7 with the are you? Or you? Salted onion. What the fuck is salted? I don't know. Maybe something I know? Like... Okay, I guess I'll be bandage level. I love this when, you know, I think you know that when people taking out the bandages and everyone thinks that it's Poppy or anyone else was uh, like, you know, beginner. Feed. What the fuck are you? Why do you think you're an bandage people? You mean I'm not quite the way I need to be? That you can interfere in my uh, private area? No, you can't, nigga. That's right. I'm the devil. Why think you could just die already? I love the thing that, oh my god. I don't know, I just think I need frugal more. Frugal more. What the fuck? Okay, this, I understand this how. I understand how people work. No, I need to be with us, you know. Um, just ask for you. You know, for some pretty nice. And I'll be there. Yes, you know. No, I'm not gonna. Oh. Okay. I am smart, Zilke. Cool. Oh yeah. How nice, how nice. I just like to see it pretty much. Now I understand who the fuck did all this. Did it just having fun? No, it's only me, Alisa, and nice evening. Good job. Cool. There you go. Okay. Thanks. Thanks so much. Thanks. Or is thanks or thanks? Thanks, yes. So, thanks. Thanks. Thanks you. Fuck. I fucked up. So hard to fuck up. Astro. He's so ass. He's even called Astro. His looks so silly, man. His looks like he's just a fat. I'm fat. Too fat to even move correctly. No. Too fat to even exist. It's already a problem when you start moving like you weight more than your legs could handle. Awesome. GTA. Okay, when you move like a worm, it's not too great as for me. Especially when you do it in real life, because it means you or have obsession or you have a problem. Problems. Yes, problems. Not a problem, but a problems. From one big problem comes more big, more problems. Small problems. Very small. Smaller than my dick. I maybe no need to compare that because my dick is pretty big. Mason, I'm not putting there some outcome memories. What the? I I don't even play this. I don't know. Cosmo, 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 Cosmo. My small dog, my small dog, my small dog. He's so small, so he's so silly. He's just a worm. No, he's not a worm. He's made like me, only less like I'm built up like Unsprout, and he's built up like my sisters. They're the same sprout as me, but my sisters, no, they're smaller. Meow. To be honest, I don't know, like romantic, uh, romantic ship of romantic ship of Cosmo and Sprout come from, really. It's like a mystery, but less a mystery than Shrimpo. Like Shrimpo is film and film, and film is okay, but Shrimpo and anyone else is it's fucking disgusting. Hit the elevator, hit the elevator. Everyone at the elevator, hit the elevator. Hit the elevator, hit the elevator, hit the... Ah, no tea. You wanna no tea? Everyone at the elevator. Wow. I like hot. Hot. Why is he... My gosh. Why is he like so shy? He looks pathetic. Whoa. Ah. Whoa. Ah, never mind. I hate these guys. Take this. I won't take it. I have a bandage. And I can have something like box of chocolates. Box of chocolates. Choco. Coco. Yeah, memories. Memories. What do you prefer? Choco or Coco? Good job. Wait. Smart thinking. I'm not smart. I'm a pebble. I walk in different sides. I need to look silly and stupid. Yo, why is this? Why is he doing better than me? Is he trying to become me? I don't prefer people like this. I fight people like this. Because, you know, if you run... Yo, Brightney! Brightney Computer Lab. Computers? Oh, yeah, computers. What? Why is we don't bothering about this? What the fuck are you doing, Peter? Alisa, calm down. What's wrong? Are you wanna to distract here or what? Tell me. Even by that. Hi. Секунду. Ладно. Нахуй это, блядь. Оу. Окей. Бомба, ракета. He just eats books. I really can't help it. Okay, we're leaving. Alisa, what are we doing there? Oi. Lisa. Oh, she's Dennis World, back in Dennis World. I don't know what she's doing, really. But okay, it's all okay to be a gay. So much gay to think about. What the fuck is this? Even about so many Christmas. I think that I just missed out Christmas skins. Yeah, I definitely did. What are we doing? We're just standing. Oh, it's, yeah, it's going to nightfall here. Here. Yeah, nightfall here. Sadly, I, I don't really like to waste more time with here. I'm now officially a mom. Mom. Yeah, I'm officially a mom. 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 Yeah, mom. Master of many, it's a mom. Why there are so many people with Christmas skins like really? One, two, three, four. What are you saying? Yoshi, don't even think that I'm there to do anything. Wait, stickers. Where is she? Where is Elisa? Elisa left. Okay. She's still playing Days World? She's still. I. Oops. Oh shit. Joy Throwaway. Oh shit. You scary, really scary. Very scary, okay. So now I can show here one. Okay, Babette. Look at Babette. The owl. White Babette. Hehe. 1 second. Where is she? No, wait. I need to become shrimp. Вірно, shrimp. I know. Oh, two house, my house. Please, we're doing it too much. I'm tired of thinking. I'm fucking tired. Yay! No, I'm. Wait. 1 second. No. Wait. Ew, wait. No, I'm. No, I'm a shrimp. My god. I usually don't play so much in Roblox. To be honest, I don't play so much in anything at all. I just, do my own stuff instead of playing, actually. Oh, wait. I become a squirm. I don't know why. Why I become a squirm? 1 second. No, I'm a Babette. So much Babette. I like Babette. 1 second. Beam. It's the only skin that I bought, actually, on holiday. Oh, Poppy, oh, Poppy, where is Poppy? Where is my Poppy? My Poppy, we want my Poppy, Poppy family. Poppy picnic. Picnic outside. Whoa, looks so cute. To be honest, for me, Poppy is really underrated by people. Look at me, how I look. I look like a real bitch. Like really. Should look like a really cool girl. Or a bad girl, I don't know. Hey, Survey, she's looking really cool. Especially that she has like here outline. Is I think I like Jing. I don't know how to speak in English. I just give up after even trying at this point. Oh my gosh, a cheater? Oh my gosh, he looks still pathetic when he is even twisted. 1 second. Yeah, It would be cool if we had the Twisted Hearts, they their skins in this FP. Like we had here 1 second. We had here Cosmic Signal skin, but twisted. Like she looks so cool in this. Uh, maybe there is even more like skins that I just didn't obtain. Oh, new animations. No, looks cool. Gorgeous. Looks just gorgeous, you know. I'm a warrior now. A warrior. What after warrior? Tisha? Oh, Tisha. Yo, this animation looks so cool. But I wanted it in actions, to be honest. Oh, but it really looks cool. The poison. I don't know, I just... Whatever, really. I just know. Babetta. Look at Babetta. I look at Babetta and I am Babetta now. Yay. Lisa. Oh. Lisa. Oh, she's now Rebecca. Rebecca. Yeah. I'm not a Rebecca. Maybe even a shrimp. To be honest, I think that she was like it a little too much by high, by like Blush Crush studio, cause she has big amount of skins. Not shares just don't do as much. She's teleported in a warehouse room. Is she there? Yeah. I'll be right there. I am now a girl. Yeah, this skin is really looks like a girl, you know? I will say, I will say it looks even like a Ranma. Oh, yeah. We have just, yeah. Cool. I'm pretty sure I have, yeah, a skin. Good. what group have? Oh, there's much. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. I really. Not very working. I just, I just know my thing. Eh. She just closed her eyes. Don't do like Alicia. She's a professional. Plus, 1 second. You can go with closed eyes, close eye, uh, guide her very much. Oh yeah, babe. Oh, I can say it faster. Oh, I can. Okay. By the way, Finn is like really. Oh, well, this she's lyric. If she is there, I really need to open Discord. If she has told me something. Okay, if she didn't tell me anything uh, important, it's okay. But at least I will know if she will do reckless. Oh, reckless. It's a different game. No, it's not a different game. It's a game where you find some cake. No, they added. Oh, they will add something. Nice. Ah, it was a sim outbreak. Man, maybe we should play My gosh, I played so much shitty stuff. That place? But maybe she got something to tell me. I really need to know. Gosh. Maybe she's already going to sleep, I don't know. I don't know even if I could continue making this video. But this is not going to be good at, at all. And maybe not even edited at all. It's so bad to it's so bad feeling that I'm, can see who he's really wants me to join. I didn't even know that he's doing all that. 20 days, this all is just 20 days long. It feels like eternity, not gonna lie. 1 second. Really need to watch all this. So, months ago, to be honest, devastating. I think, you know, I have a videos with Alisa that lasted like a few an hour. I don't know. Yeah, an hour. In this video was very old to publish, but now I hope this you know, two, 2 hours, two, 2 hours of a video, and it's going to be in 1 year, as I see. It's pretty bad. Oh, Alisa changed her nickname to Goopy in in oh not good. Reckless. I think I need to play it soon. Um, who is it? Okay, communities. This autism, autism and age, age, HDT. I forgot how this is pronounced. I don't even care anymore. Horrits? No, this is very um very cool to have Violence District. What the fuck is this? I see breaks old break studios, irrelevance, the group, vibe, zooms up. Thanks, it more like Forsaken games, not skillful enough at sprinting like uh, first Perscano and hitboxes garb gal le fix them. Careless, I don't care. This game is asking swap, retro swap. This isn't retro. I've been going since 2026 and is I this I this is isn't retro. Hi hi hi. Okay. Carnival update re-release. I am so sorry for the awful update of this for release of this update. Next title. Can I be there? Better title. Can I have admin filters eyelashes pretty plug? Yeah, of course. I was so much older. Thank you. No, you will listen to the Blue Ancestor Pit of Demise. 20 plus me too. Can you have almond please? It was a joke, by the way. But oh my gosh, I just got myself accidentally. Um, I need to play with sharp things, guys, because otherwise you will get cut feedback forms, even store scientist choice, scientist code. Thanks. So reckless. February 14th. Лютый. О, блящик. What the fuck is this? For real, why? At least there is murder mystery. No, there is need to be brain. What? Grace have more people than brain rot? Where's my brain rot pick? Guys, where's my brain rot? I need to see their bad games. Oh, say your peaceful. A bad game in what I'll never fucking play. Uh, I don't see any 6, 7. What the fuck is this? Run for brain knots? Can I run from brain knots? Okay, I think it's just a time of small, of very dedicated players, so there's half of this is bots, so we don't even count it pretty much. So then Discord at Jujutsu Shenanigans? What the fuck? Defend your base from 6 upcoming. Top lane now. Oh, still Brainrot. Finish it, Brookhaven, Adopt Me, Rivals, Escape Tsunami for Brainrot. This is the section that I seeked, but still it's pretty nice start. Whoa, its look is different now. Oh my. Oh, never mind. Okay. So I just stopped the video because I'm tired of this shit.